everyone. Today we're discussing 5 reasons why students fail in FR. The first reason is because we have such huge books, but we do not have all the time to go through the sums on the exam day or maybe 2 days before the paper. So when you are practicing the questions from the exam kit, the first thing that I want you to do is mark the questions which are important, maybe using a post-it or a sticky note, so that you can come back to them when you are preparing for the paper. The second reason is that the students only focus on the practicing of questions and not so much on the concept revision. Now, FR is not entirely a practical based paper in the sense application is there, but you only can apply things if you know what are the concepts behind them. So you cannot skip on concepts revision 2 days before your paper. The third reason is because they misread the question. So what's misreading the question? Okay, the question can be of 2 types. First type would be understanding or giving an explanation for something, wherein the question will be something like explain this concept. Or the second type of question will be calculate this. Now when we read the question, I would say that you should just go through it 2-3 times before actually starting to write down your answer. Because if it's an elaboration question wherein you have to explain things, our focus should be like that. While if it's a calculation based question, the focus should be mainly on the workings and on the calculations. The fourth reason is because they fail to make the working notes. So I'm saying that all working notes form part of your answer and you should be showing all the working notes to the examiner. Also, for your own prep, you should also start to know how to make them properly, present them nicely, so that you end up making no mistakes in your paper. The fifth reason is because they don't connect their answer with the case in interpretation based questions. So what I have seen is, and even the examiner's reports say the same thing, that students do calculate the ratios correctly, but when it comes to the analysis part, the students are not able to write more on what they feel, how the company is progressing or how the company's growth has been. So, the examiner will know that, you've not studied the analysis part properly or you've not studied the concepts properly and you don't understand the ratios even if you've calculated them right. So students, we have more such videos coming to help you crack your ACCA exams. So please subscribe to our channel and check them regularly. Thank you.